Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up multiple accounts in the same wallet for MetaMask. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So in case you need to create a brand new MetaMask account from scratch, I will leave the video down in the description. But in case you would like to create multiple accounts in the same wallet, then all you have to do is open your MetaMask right here. And then from there, you're going to go to your account section. And then you're going to click on add account or hardware wallet. Now from here, you're going to create new account. And it's going to be either Ethereum or Solana. Solana is going to be more for the meme coins or any daily transactions, and for Ethereum it's going to be the Bitcoins such as USDT and Ethereum itself. So from here we can select plus account, Solana account, and then from here you can name it whatever you want. So account number 2, and then from here once you click on add account, then voila, just like that it gets created like that. And then from here if you want to log into any other one or you would like to check your account number, then from here, you're going to go to account details. And then from here, you can see your full wallet address and the QR code that you would need. And you can show the secret recovery phase of that account itself that will allow you to log in with this account on any single device under the same name. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.